What does the name Macedonia truly mean? Many have searched for its origins, but today I will tell you a story. A story older than time itself. In the beginning, there was Zeus, the supreme god, the creator of all. From his divine power, he gave birth to two great forces, Ma, the mother goddess, and Don, the god of the land. Together, they shaped the world. Ma, or Make, the Great Mother, known as Maika in Macedonian language, was the source of life. But life could not exist without land, without foundation, without Don. Don, or Dion, as some called him, was the spirit of the land. Mountains, rivers, valleys, all formed by his power. He made the earth strong, fertile, allowing civilizations to grow. From their union, a son was born, Makedon, the first ruler, the one who gave his name to the land. Makedonia, the land of the mother and the land of Don. Macedonia means motherland, and even in its name, we see the divine connection. The suffix "ia" means belongs to, Ma, Don, and I. Together, they form Makedonia. Even today, the spirit of Ma and Don lives on. The land remains strong, the people proud, and the name, Macedonia, still carries the essence of its divine origin. Macedonia is more than a name. It is a legacy, a creation of gods, a motherland.